Since you clicked on this video, I know that you're tired of ChatGPT hallucinating, and making up things, and giving really, really bad answers. So in this video, I'm going to show you three little tricks that you can use every day to enhance your prompts. So first, let's start with an easy example. Let's ask for an email from ChatGPT to write to an Airbnb owner. So this is the prompt that we're going to send you. A lot of people are using it like this, and it's really generic and really useless when you send this prompt. It's really generic, and you have a lot of questions open. He didn't really know who you are. It was based on assumptions. He didn't know what's the place, how many of you are going, what's the checkout date. You have to fill it out by yourself. And this is why we are going to use three little techniques, which first giving a role to this to the ChatGPT and finding what's his role and why he's doing that. So I'm going to ask him that you're a professional assistant and he's someone who is professional in email writing. After that, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to walk me through his thinking process before he gives me any answer. This will enable me to see what his beliefs are and what he took for granted. And if something is wrong in the beginning, I can change it immediately. And then he will know based on what he should write the email, for example. And it helps a lot. And instead of changing the whole aspects and correcting every single time, you just correct it once in the beginning and then it will take it for granted and set a new belief that he can follow and build, for example, the email from that or the future responses. And the third is that before you get started, ask me any questions or any information that you need to write this email. And we are going to send this and let's see what questions he came up with. So here we are with a list of questions that he was asking me to basically complete this whole email. I'm going to dictate it using Whisper Flow. If you're not familiar with it, I will leave a link in the description. You can sign in. Just first, we are going to answer where we're flying to Croatia, and the two of us with my partner. There is a hotel in Croatia that we would like to book. The dates are the 2nd of October till the 7th of October. The guests, just the two of us. We are going to bring one of our pets, so a dog. Let's ask that if it's a problem or not. There will be one bed is enough for us, a king size bed. Ask if this is available. Our budget is 540 euros for the 5 days, since we would like to go cheap on that. The transport is not solved yet, so ask if there is an opportunity to get the transport from the airport to the accommodation. And so we got too much text, I think. But let me finish with the last one. And the language, we can speak English, German, Hungarian, or Spanish, for example. And here we are with our email. So subject, everything really good. The host name, I didn't give that, but I will just replace that one. My name is Tony, apartment, really good, 5 nights. We also added our budget, the second, the bed type, really good, the pet policy, airport transfer, and the language. So basically, he summarized everything what we were talking about. Let me compare to the first one, which we made 3 minutes ago. It was really, really generic. Check out this, you should replace that. So the whole message was just a template, and it was not really useful because you could write it by yourself as well. The formatting was not really there. But in the last one, I really like this whole concept, and it's a really high effort template or a full email. So this was just a dumb example how you can use ChatGPT. There are thousands and thousands of views. For example, when you're prompting Claude or some other build AIs that could enhance your prompts 10 times and make the language model understand what you really want. But in this example, in the email example, it just demonstrated how you can develop your skill by only using three simple steps, three simple questions. thank you for being here with me. And for more tutorials, just visit my channel. Thank you.